Hey everybody, this is Lena from Just a Little Bit Country, and today we're going to unmold this one. It's finished. And I'm going to do it one-handedly because I don't want to put my thing up there just right now. Ouch. The bottom part looks like this. And then this one looks like this. It's going to set like that. It's speckled. You can see through that too. Do some trimming on that one in a little bit. Then we've got, if I can't do it one-handedly, I'll have to get the thing, won't I? So the lizard turned out pretty good. Nice looking little lizard. Let's get this bird out of this thing. Can't really do it with my right hand because I hurt my thumb when I fell yesterday. Ow. Here's this little bird. She turned out pretty nicely. All we had was this pretty little lizard, that bird, this. I have to put some stuff together this afternoon. So I can put this right here like this, and it'll set just like this, and then hers will be finished. Just like that. Doodads up there. Ow! That hurt. And I need to pour, when I work on that thing tonight, I will pour another layer on this. Do another bird too. So I got to get around this weekend to getting all this shit picked up, put up, cleaned up. This will be the weekend for, I'm going to make another one of these today. I'll make one for my husband. I'll make another one of those today for the hubby, but it won't be right this second. I gotta get some more stuff. Alright. Anyway, like I said, there's this one. I think this one's for my husband. Yeah. This one is for Bree. I just need to put the name and date on it. That one's for my husband, so I guess I need to make one for Michaela. I'm going to do one for my daughter, Alana, but I'm just going to put a picture in it because she's already got the other stuff. So this one is Bree's. That one's my husband's. Ouch. So, here's that purple one I made myself. I got all those upside down so I can get every last drop. Oh, and I need to put a lid on that. See, I don't even know why the lid wasn't on that. God darn it. But this doesn't even have a lid on it. I need to put a lid on it. I have just a little bit of hardener left. See, a little bit of hardener left. Alright. Actually, we just need to start putting everything up. I can finish everything else when I get out there. Yes, I do. That's what I need to do. Clean everything up over here because it's a gigantic mess. All of that's got to be cleaned up so I can pack everything. And I need to get all of that packed today. Get a bunch of crap packed. I'll go down here and show you this other room from where we got a bunch of shit packed yesterday. After I had fell and hurt myself. And boy, did I. Got a big gash on my hip from where I fell and hit the pedal on my car. On my wheelchair, and I sprung my thumb on my right hand, and my wrist on my left hand is hurt too. So this is the boxes and everything that we got packed up yesterday. I have to have my daughter come in here and straighten this shit up. So you can actually get in there and do something with it. Got all the books out of those 2 bookcases, and that bookcase up there, and this entire bookcase over here, most of the stuff out of it as well. So we got a few boxes left. We'll have to get some more. I think we have this box here. Let's see what's in there. This box down here. We have these few boxes right here left that I can use. That box, that box, that box. That box is going to have something in it that my husband's going to pack. We have totes we can use. We've got to finish up the living room, so I'm going to have my daughter, when she gets home from school, put all those boxes that's in that one room, straighten them up better so you can get around in there. Then I'm going to have her take all the ones that's in the craft room and put in there as well. So I can get around the craft room and get more of that stuff picked up. Let these dogs in. Put this stuff in that box. I'm going to let the dogs in. Let the dogs come in. So they can go get in the bed with their dad. Go get in the bed with your daddy. Go. No, go back there and get in the bed with your dad. Go. Come on, Whippy, out. Out of that room. You don't need to be in there. Not where you need to be, Moses. Come here, girls. Come on. Go in here with Dad. Come on. Come on, let's go with Dad. Go with your daddy, go. Go in there with Dad. Go in the room. No. Gracie, come here. Come here. Come here. Dogs. Come on. Oh, you're going to lay down in there? You're like, screw it. We don't want to go in there with Dad? Fine. Don't go in there with your dad then.
But you have to stay out of trouble in here. Yeah, you have to stay out of trouble. You mainly. You're the one that's always in trouble, Miss Ava. You have to stay out of trouble, Miss Ava. There's nothing in that stuff. It's trash. So, just chill out. Take a chill pill. Oliga. Hello? Do you hear me? Would you stop? Let me take all that stuff over there and then you can play with that thing. Goofy dog. Here! Ava, here. You can play with that. Here, it's gonna move. Move! And unless you go in there with Daddy, there ain't no water in here for y'all. Oh my God, really? Give me that. So don't fucking chew it up. Goofy dog. Quit! You're nasty. Yucky, yucky. Move. Gross. Alright, if you like my little short video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps my channel. Hit that bell, like and share, and subscribe if you haven't. Talk to you later. Bye.